Welcome, San Diego Unified students, families, and staff members to the Vision 2030 video survey. Our goal for Vision 2030 is to create a set of profiles or goals that we want our learners, educators, and our school system to achieve by 2030. As a valued member of our district, we want you to help us create this vision. We have conducted over 13 input sessions with over 380 members of the district, including students, families, district staff, and more to get their input of what should be included in this vision. Please continue watching for a tutorial of how to complete the survey so you too can be a part of this vision.
Hello, I'm Anya Swanson. I'm one of the student interns working on Vision 2030, and I'm going to be walking through the input survey. So for the first question, please select who you are within the district. Are you a student, family member, community member, or district staff? The next question will be identifying which part of the district you're from. So within the district, there are 5 different geographic areas, and each area has 3 to 4 clusters, which are categorized by the high school that all of the elementary and middle schools in that area feed into. So for example, if you were a parent of a student who goes to an elementary school in Mira Mesa, and that school feeds into Mira Mesa High School, you would select Mira Mesa as your cluster. This next question is asking which top 10 characteristics you believe would be most important to include in the learner profile. So which characteristics do you believe are most important that students gain in their schooling to use within school and beyond? The learner characteristics can be categorized into 3 domains: the social, cognitive, and emotional domain. And these questions are asking you to rank each of the domains on importance. So how important do you think each domain is? Next, please select the top 10 characteristics that you think are most important to be included in the educator profile. So which characteristics is it most important that educators have in order to best support students in the learner profile? The next question is about the system profile. So please select the top 10 characteristics that you believe should be included in the system profile. So which of these would be most important in the system in order to best support staff, educators, and students in order to achieve the educator and learner profile? And then the last question, you can provide your email here in order to receive updates on Vision 2030. And then you can submit, and that's it.
If you would like to learn more about Vision 2030, you can take a look at our webpage, which can be found on the San Diego Unified School District website. You can find us under About, and under our district, you can click on Vision for 2030. On our webpage, you can take a look at our journey, elements of the vision itself, like the learner profile, educator profile, and the system profile, and real-time updates. If you'd like to join an input session in person or virtually, take a look at our engagement opportunities. And that's all. Thank you so much for being a part of this vision.